Karen Reed's lawyers have filed a motion to dismiss 2 of the 3 charges still hanging over her head. Let's send it over to NBC 10's Darren Botello. He continues our team coverage live tonight outside Norfolk Superior Court. This was a bombshell today. Darren, what prompted it?
It really was, Glenn, and attorneys for Karen Reed said that they were getting unsolicited communications from several jury members who were actually in deliberations saying they all agreed she was not guilty on those 2 charges.
Karen Reed's attorneys on Monday filing a motion here at Norfolk Superior Court to dismiss 2 of the 3 charges against Reed, the second-degree murder charge and leaving the scene of a fatal crash. We obtained the motion, you can see here, saying in part, quote, counsel began receiving unsolicited communications from 3 of the 12 deliberating jurors, indicating in no uncertain terms that the jury had a firm 12-0 agreement that Miss Reed was not guilty of 2 of the 3 charges against her, including the charge of murder in the second degree. The defense now arguing to prosecute Reed again on those charges would be double jeopardy. Before a mistrial was declared, though, multiple notes were handed to Judge Beverly Cannoni, our legal experts saying with no indication that the jury reached a verdict on any of the charges.
The note that was submitted to Judge Cannoni said that they were hung on the charges, plural. The question is, why then wasn't the form completed at all? Because there were spaces, certainly for the second-degree murder charge, for them to have checked off not guilty.
In hindsight, legal experts we spoke with say Judge Cannoni could have gone through all 3 charges with the collective jury before a mistrial was declared, with Reed now still accused of hitting her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV, leaving him to die in the snow in January 2022.
Judge Cannoni would decide whether an evidentiary hearing can be used in order to gauge whether the jurors met and reached a consensus on any of these counts.
So we emailed the DA's office earlier. They said they're looking at the motion in anticipation of a filing response and look forward to picking a new trial date. That's on July 22nd. Live tonight in Dead, I'm Darren Botello, NBC 10 Boston.